Hello, today we will guide you through how to increase Thinkorswim memory. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to give the Thinkorswim platform more memory so it can handle charts, scans, and data-heavy layouts more smoothly. This is especially helpful if you work with multiple watch lists, complex studies, or extended intraday history. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app on your computer. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your setup, it may take a bit if you last closed the platform with several charts or gadgets open. If you keep other demanding programs running in the background, consider closing what you don't need, so Thinkorswim has room to operate efficiently. Once the platform is open and responsive, look toward the lower left corner of the window. You should see the settings control there, often shown as a gear icon or a button labeled Settings. If your window is small or partially off-screen, maximize it so the lower left area is visible. The memory option we need lives inside that Settings panel. Click the Settings control to open the configuration window. Inside, find the section dedicated to memory or resource usage. Here, the platform lets you adjust how much of your computer's RAM Thinkorswim is allowed to use. Selecting a higher memory allocation can reduce lag, speed up charting and scanning, and make heavy layouts feel more responsive. Keep in mind, allocating more memory to Thinkorswim means less memory is available for other apps, so choose a level that suits your machine. If you have plenty of RAM installed, opting for a higher setting is typically beneficial. If your computer is more limited, a moderate setting may provide a good balance. Within the memory section, choose the high option for memory usage. This tells the platform to prioritize performance when processing data, drawing charts, and running studies. It's a practical way to improve stability during peak trading hours or when you're switching symbols frequently. When you're satisfied with a selection, click Save. The platform will store your preference and apply it. In some cases, you may be prompted to relaunch for changes to take full effect. If you see a prompt, just follow it when convenient. After saving, use the platform as you normally would and monitor how it feels. If you notice your system becoming sluggish overall, you can return to the same settings area and dial the memory allocation back slightly. That's it. You've increased Thinkorswim's memory allocation and set the platform up for smoother performance. Thanks for following along, and happy trading.